can enjoy everything we do here at Camping Savio from the comfort of your home. In this new video, I'm gonna teach you how to make beautiful, fresh Pesto! Willkommen zu Savio Plus, wo ihr können etwas, was wir machen, zu deinem Hause machen auch. Heute machen wir schönen, super lecker Pesto machen. Hallo! Und die Lieblingszutat ist sicher Basilikum. Only fresh ingredients here at Savio. Erste, wir legen unser Basilikum in dem Wasser. So the first step is we're gonna put our beautiful fresh pesto in a bowl full of water. Once the basilico is dry, we're gonna put it in the blender. And now we need about 10 grams of what my grandpa used to call pinoli. He loved those ones. Oh my god. In the blender. 10 gram Pinnenkerne. And now guys, don't be afraid to put salt. Es regnet Salz. So now we need only 1 clove of garlic. Jetzt, wir brauchen nur ein bisschen Knoblauch. One of the most important ingredients. Oil. Oil ist eine super wichtig Ingredient. Jetzt, wir brauchen Käse. Aber this is not one random cheese. This is Parmesan cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano. Direttamente dall'Emilia Romagna. This is all the ingredients that we need. Super easy, super fast. We just need to blend it now. Wow! Perfect! And this is what I'm talking about. Wow, that was so easy! I could just eat this with a spoon as well. Guys, did you know that pesto comes from Liguria? It's one of our best regions here in Italy. It's where Cinque Terre is from. Maybe you know Cinque Terre. And just mix it a bit with the pasta. Schön und lecker. Oh, you can smell that it's fresh, guys. You can smell it. Soll ich diese probieren? Ich probiere. Thank you so much for watching another Savio Plus video. I hope to see you in the next one. And please make sure you try this at home, you tag us, you comment below, you like the video and you share it. I want to see all your pesto plates. Dankeschön fürs Sehen dieses Video. Ich hoffe, ihr probieren diese Pesto zu Hause. Bis nächste Video. Bye bye, tschüss, Dankeschön, grazie, ciao ciao.